Hi, I'm Felix and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to change your YouTube username, and let's get started. First, we need to go to YouTube website and log into our account. Once you log in, just click on your YouTube channel icon, which can be seen in the upper left corner of the screen, and choose Settings. Next to your profile picture, click the words Added in Google. Enter your new channel name and click OK. And that's it. Your YouTube username has been changed. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, feel free to hit a comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.